Story 1. They opened the window. Yesterday, Mark opened the window because his room felt hot. He cleaned the sill, dusted the curtains, and looked outside. A cool breeze entered the room and helped him relax. He smiled and enjoyed the fresh air. Story 2. The fixed bicycle. Emma fixed her bicycle last weekend. She washed the wheels, tightened the bolts, and painted the frame. When she finished, she tested it on the street. She relaxed and enjoyed her smooth ride. Story 3. The shared cookies. Leo baked cookies and shared them with his friends. He mixed the dough, added the chocolate chips, and waited while they baked. His friends tasted them and nodded happily. Everyone enjoyed the treat. Story 4. The started garden. Mila started a small garden in her backyard. She planted seeds, watered the soil, and waited patiently. The next week, tiny plants appeared. She smiled and felt excited to watch them grow. Story 5. The cleaned classroom. The students cleaned their classroom after school. They picked up trash, wiped the desks, and organized the shelves. Their teacher thanked them and praised their teamwork. The room looked bright and fresh. Story 6. The painted fence. Oliver painted the fence around his house. He scraped the wood, prepared the paint, and brushed each panel carefully. When he finished, the fence looked new and tidy. His parents clapped proudly. Story 7. The finished puzzle. Nola finished a faceless-piece puzzle with her brother. They sorted the pieces, connected the ends, and completed the picture. When they added the last piece, they celebrated and hugged each other. Story 8. The visited park. Yesterday, the family visited a large park. They walked around, watched birds, and rested near a pond. The children skipped stones and laughed together. Everyone enjoyed the peaceful day. Story 9. The practiced dance. Anna practiced her dance routine for the school show. She followed the music, repeated her steps, and improved her moves. After an hour, she felt tired but proud. She ended the practice feeling confident. Story 10. The checked homework. Daniel checked his homework before bed. He corrected mistakes, asked missing answers, and reread each question. When he finished, he packed his bag and relaxed. He felt ready for school the next day.